Hello and welcome back after a long time. I'm doing this video how to test the igniter and ignition coil for a Honda CR-V. So this car couldn't start, so we have this is battery positive, this is tachometer, this is the cable which goes to the igniter for spark. We have these 6 wires over here, 2, 4, 6. These are for the pickup coils. This distributor's got 3 pickup coils. So this distributor's got 3 pickup coils. There's one here, and it has 2 more inside. So each pickup coil has 2 cables. So these 2, then the other 2 for another pickup coil. This one and that one down there, and this one and the other one for the other pickup coil. So what I'm doing here is testing the igniter and the coil. So the car did not have any spark. So what I've done here is I've connected this battery positive on the coil to the battery positive terminal. This one. This is my test lead. I've connected to negative. Then I have this blue cable which is connected to the battery. This is my negative. I can put it here. This is my negative. So this thing has is grounded. So this will be my trigger. Negative. This will be my trigger. So as I activate the igniter, over here, this terminal, I should be able to see spark jumping from this cable to the body of the igniter. If I see the spark here, then it means the distributor is just fine. Then I need to look at another problem on the car. So let's try this. I'm not sure if the camera is picking that sound. So currently there's no spark. But I'm sure you can hear clicking noise, which tells me that the igniter is fine. So the fault is there, the coil. So this distributor needs another coil. So no spark. Igniter is fine, but no spark.